Both you as the moderator and the learners can access the meeting by going to their course on Moodle. So through their learner dashboard, they would go to Moodle, My Courses, and pick their course. And they will come to the specific course that you're teaching them. Then it's going to be a case of going to the section where you added the meeting. We decided to go for introduction. So go to introduction, online meeting, and then join session. How do you like to join? With a microphone. You click on microphone. You allow the computer to use the microphone. You allow the big blue button to use a microphone. And this is working. So this is what you see when you join the meeting. As you can see, I'm the only person in this meeting at the moment. And when learners join, their names would appear here. There is a public chat that you can use. So you can type here and the messages will go to all of the learners present. So, hello, welcome to this meeting, or whatever you want to say to them. And they can reply here as well, and you can read their messages. Now, what we have available here is the opportunity to use a webcam. So you could go to share webcam and click on it if you want to share your webcam and see each other on video. Another feature available here is that of the microphone. So you can mute your microphone. Let's suppose you have some background noise, something is going on, and you don't want other people to hear that, but you still want to participate. So you can click on this. That means nobody can hear you. If you go and unmute, then others will be able to hear you.